Hi everyone, it's Natalie from Fabricland, and we've been to the stores, the high street stores, and we've seen lots of shirts, and we'd like to inspire you into making shirts. I'm fed up with seeing men in t-shirts, black t-shirts and jeans, so if you want your man to wear jeans, why not make him a nice funky shirt to wear with it? My husband's got one similar to this with a nice little pattern, but Max is going to tell you some more. Go ahead, Max.
Okay, so what we've done is a fabric bundle, and it's £20, and we've got this pattern. Okay, it's got the man's shirt on it, a short sleeve one, nice for the spring and summer. And if you want, you could also make yourself one. And then we've got all of these lovely fabrics. So we've got tropical prints, pineapples, tweed designs which look lovely with jeans and denim. Lots of different ones for you to pick from. And in our fabric bundle, we've even done the buttons to match.
Yes, which I think is really clever of you and very nice of you, actually,
Yes.
but it took rather a long time. Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.